Hey YouTube, Carl's Cards. Got a 2026 Topps Finest Mega Box to break. So this is the first year of the Topps Finest Megas. It's been a hobby-only product, so see how these are. I'm hoping it's decent. I think I've seen a couple breaks. Seems like you do get some numbered cards. So you get 8 packs, 6 cards per, so see what we get. You got Matt Olson, Paul Skeens, Byron Buxton, Ellie, Caglione rookie, Carson Williams, Arrivals. Pretty nice design. Oh, there we go. Nice Ohtani. Take that. Skubal, Bryce Harper, Alejandro Kirk at a 199. Basalo, Gusto, and a Roki Sasaki mini diamond. We got a Murakami rookie. It's a nice one. Chase Burns rookie. Jacob Olson. DeLauder rookie. There's a Ohtani uncommon. So a nice Ohtani short print. There we go. PC right there. Giancarlo mini diamond. Roman Anthony team finest. So not a bad start so far. See a good name on the back, so hopefully. Correa, Brandon Sprout, Jonah Tom, Josh Naylor, and a Murakami uncommon. Alright, so we're halfway through. Seems like there's decent values, so got Trey Turner, Carson Williams, Carson Bench, Brady House, Arrivals, Dylan Beavers, Yamamoto, World's Finest. Those are kind of cool. We got Dylan Cruz, Andrew Painter, James Wood, Cal Raleigh. Oh, there we go. McGonagall refractor. It's a nice one there. Nice PC hit, Aaron Judge, mini diamond. It's the uncommon version. So, some nice pulls. Pretty happy so far. Got Mookie Betts, Churio, Montgomery rookie, Chase Burns, that's uncommon. Team finest, Soto, Bubba Chandler. Last pack. got Vladdy. There's Aaron Judge. It's the common. Eldridge, Dylan Beavers, Roman Anthony. Rare Roman Anthony, so it's pretty nice. And finishing off, Cole Young mini diamond rookie. So not bad. Couple judges, Otani's, McGonigal. So a lot of the rookies. Definitely a fun break. Thanks for watching, and peace.